In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know how to place a clean, professional watermark on your images so your work is recognizable without distracting from the photo itself. First, open your image. In Affinity Photo, head to File, then Open, and choose the photo you want to watermark. Give it a second to load. If you're working with a large, high-resolution file, that's perfect. Your watermark will scale nicely and stay crisp. Next, let's create the watermark. If you want a simple text mark, select the Text tool from the toolbar. Click once on your image and type your watermark. This could be your name, your brand, or a short handle. Choose a clean, legible font and a neutral color that contrasts just enough with the background. White or light gray is a great starting point, and you can adjust later. If you already have a logo or a pre-made watermark graphic, go to File, then Place, and select your PNG with transparency. Once it's on the canvas, use the handles to resize it. Hold Shift while dragging a corner to keep the proportions consistent so it doesn't look stretched. Now let's fine-tune the appearance so it looks professional rather than overpowering. In the Layers panel, lower the opacity of your text or logo layer. A range of about 20 to 50% usually works well. The exact number will depend on your photo. Busy backgrounds might need a bit more opacity, while minimalist images can get away with less. Position the watermark where it supports the image composition. Common placements include the bottom right for a subtle signature, the center for stronger brand protection, or diagonally across for maximum visibility. Use the Move tool to drag it into place, and consider leaving a small margin from the edge so it doesn't feel cramped. If you'd like a diagonal look, rotate the layer slightly using the corner handle until it aligns the way you want. For a touch of style and readability, you can add a subtle effect. A gentle shadow can lift the watermark off the background, and a very slight blur can soften sharp edges. Keep it minimal, just enough to help the watermark stand out without drawing attention away from the photo. That's it. Open your image, create the watermark with text or a placed PNG, then adjust opacity, placement, and a subtle effect. Simple, consistent, and polished every time.